Hi everyone, it's Michelle. It has been a while. I moved and just been really busy with things in between. But I was inspired, so I thought, oh gosh, I have to show them what I'm doing and just show you a really quick, easy DIY confetti and a few other small things I want to show you. But anyway, I made this, and this is without any tools. Those paper punches are, they're really terrible. I see people doing them in videos, and I'm like, wow, how do they sit there and punch holes all day with those things? Because they really hurt your hand. But anyway, I just wanted an easier way to do this. So I want to show you guys what I did. And then I just want to show you this sweet little embellishment ordeal I made. And I'll show you how I did that. Well, actually, I'm not going to physically show you, but you do have to have a die cut machine for this part. I use a Big Shot, and I have a Little B doily die, and you do not have to use that. You can use any, whatever patterns you like, but I just thought this is such an inexpensive way. Instead of buying expensive scrap of paper for like $2 each, I mean, I'll show you how much you can stretch this. So anyway, okay, so first thing is this beautiful tissue paper I got. It's glitter and pastel. It's everything that we love right now. I went to Marshall's today and I got this for $2.99 for this whole pack, and it's a double pack. So you compare this to Target's Spritz. I think their double pack is $3.99 or $4.99, and look how much more beautiful this is. I mean, love it. So anyway, that is what I used for this packet, as you can see. So anyway, that is the confetti. And then the doily, I got this beautiful gift wrap from Marshall's. They have so many beautiful gift wraps right now. I just had to control myself. I got this, and I got a flamingo one. I haven't seen it yet. I don't know if anyone else has seen it. But anyway, that is what I used for the doily. Now, compare this. You know, you go to Michael's and you spend $2 on a scrap sheet. Look at, I mean, you can just stretch and stretch, and it's so much more prettier than just some scrap of paper. So think of what you can do with die cuts and gift wrap. I mean, you can do a million things. You could do little envelopes. You could do just little boxes. So many projects. It is thinner, obviously. It's not cardstock, but still, you can do lots of embellishments and other things with these dies and gift wrap paper. Originally I had tried to do it. I made this for my niece. It is a little big, and I haven't glued it yet, but you know, I just wanted to, the bigger the better with kids. Just a little fairy wand to put on top of her package when I'm done with it. I'm going to see her this summer, so I just wanted to make it as girly as possible because she is a 8-year-old who is very girly. And I have a son, so it's my way of, you know, being girly for a little bit. Okay, so anyway, let me show you the tutorial for the confetti. Now, I already have opened a pack, so what you're going to do is just take one sheet of each color, or if you want, use all the same color. It's up to you. And I'm sorry this camera is at a weird angle. I just could not figure out the tripod situation in this room. I have to figure it out. And, you know, I really want to do more videos and share my ideas with you guys. So I'm hoping to get it set up a little bit better. Okay, so I am using, oh gosh, excuse the mess. I'm in my Etsy craft room, and it's, let's just say there's not enough room in here for everything that I have. Okay, did I get 2 sheets? I did. Okay, so I am going to use the blue, the yellow, and pink. That's exactly what I used in my bag. I love these colors right now. I think everyone does. Just reminds me of like a pastel carnival or something. I have a lot of letter sets like these. I used to collect kawaii and Japanese stationery for use who don't know what that is. And you know, they just make the best stuff. I don't know who designed them, where they get their ideas, but they are amazing at what they do. I am creative when I have something put out in front of me, but as far as me actually designing it, I don't know if I'm that great at that. Okay, so just gonna stack it, make sure it's okay. Now, all you're gonna do is literally fold it in half. Doesn't matter which end, just fold it in half. Okay, so I'm gonna show you so you can see. Just fold it edge to edge in half. Okay, so that's that, and I'm gonna fold it again, just in another square. Okay, just like that. And sorry, yeah, I was actually testing a hole punch earlier, and that is why I came up with this idea. I was just so frustrated with the hole punch, and the punchers, they just are ridiculous. If I could make a patent for something that cut this, hello out there, if someone can do that, that would be great, because I obviously don't have the time or probably money to create something like that. So anyway, okay, you can fold it again. Doesn't have to be perfect. It is confetti. So that's about, I would say, how many times I folded? 3. I mean, unless you have some superior scissors. I have a Hobby Lobby pair. I have another pair too from Joann's. That's amazing, but still, I think this is about as thick as it's gonna get, well, without being frustrated. So, I mean, this is your only tool here, scissors. So, okay, now, the edge is gonna be folded, so you're gonna kind of have to chop that part off. And you can use this for the confetti, but I'm just getting rid of it right now just to show you guys, okay? Then I'm just gonna cut it into a strip. You cut this however tiny or thick that you want it to be. I'm just doing this so I can show you and so you guys can see. Okay, I just cut off the top because it was still folded. I should have put that on camera, but okay, and now all I'm doing is literally chopping. That's it. That is confetti right there. And I have to show you how much this strip will make compared to the hole punch that you have to keep emptying and your hand hurts. It's just not ideal. So just make sure you cut off the edges when they're folded, or else you're gonna have like a double one. So in that little pile, I'm filming. Sorry, my husband. Look at how much I made. This bag was just like 3 strips. So, I mean, do you know how long that would have taken with a hole punch? So, I mean, I just thought this, I don't know if someone else has done this yet, but I did it, and I figured it out today, so I thought I would share. So if, I'm just going to do another one to show you guys. So this, now that the edge is off, I don't have to, see, okay, so when you cut it, it's going to be like that. So you just want to cut that part off. And this doesn't have to be perfect, it's confetti. So this, I cut thinner, and you can cut it this way, like triangular, just to make it more fun. I mean, they charge a lot for confetti in the stores. I'm like, really? $12.99 for like 8 tissue papers? No, I'm not doing that. Okay. Nice try, Martha. But I'm not paying $12.99 for a little thing of confetti. Okay, so, and I do love Martha, by the way, but I'm just not doing that. So look at how much more whimsical that looks when it's, oops, I forgot a big strip, but see that? And look at this pile. And how, I mean, that was literally 30 seconds. So, I mean, how easy is that? I just, you know, so much easier. Here's a little pile made earlier, just from 1 strip, so I hope you guys can see, because, you know, this is really, yeah, here we go. So 3 strips. I hope you guys really enjoy that idea. Okay, so that wasn't the only thing I wanted to show you. Okay, sorry, I'm just getting thrown off. So not just with these, with the die cut, I went to Target today too. You know, that's my usual stop, is Marshall's and Target, because they're right next to each other. I'm sure everyone else does that too. I got these cute bags in the dollar section. They're adorable. Lemons, pink lemonade. I thought, wow, those would be great treat bags for, you know, some of my kits that I create on Etsy. But then I came home and I was like, you know what? I can totally do something else with it. Let me show you. I actually die cut them. So I thought it would be cute for one of these wands or just another project. So, I mean, you have to really think outside the box rather than just always going to a craft store, getting the same print everyone else has. Try and be creative and, you know, try and find other things that might work, that might be more inexpensive, more original. But I do have to show this. I got this at Target too. Strawberry straws. They were just screaming at me. I cannot wait to use this for something. But anyway, I really want to make more videos. I hope this makes your life easier, because it's definitely going to make mine easier. And, you know, just a tip I wanted to share, and I was excited to share with you guys. I hope to make more videos, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. All right, bye.